Welcome students to our second video of this week, which is based on do as directed 3 marks each question. We have a total of 15 questions of this type, okay, and I had taken in this frame question number 1, 2 and 3 here. Okay, we have to discuss question number 1, 2 and 3 in this frame. So Jai Mata Di to all of you. Let's start with the second video. The first question is write 57570287 in a place value chart of Indian system of numeration. Okay, first of all you have to observe this number as ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh and crore. Okay, there are total 8 digit number it is, and then you have to a chart you have to make. Okay, eight columns you have to make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, ones, tens, 100. This is hundreds period. 100 period. Okay. 1000, 10,000. This is 1000 period. 1000 period. Okay. Lakh, 10 lakh. This is lakh period. Okay, and this is crore. This is crore period. Just you have to write this number 7, 8, 2, 0, 7, 5, 7, 5. This you had represented this number in a place value chart which is of Indian system of numeration. This is very easy, I am saying you. Now same you have to do with the international system of numeration. Just observe this number. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million. This is also 8 digit number. Okay, you have to write just like this. Just like this you have to do. Okay, 3 columns you have, 3 rows you have to make, and total of column 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, 8 columns is there. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000, million and 10 million. This is million period. Million period. This is 1000 period. 1000 period. And this is 100 period. 100 period. Okay students, now you have to just write the numbers 6, 7, 8, 0, 9, 2, 1, 3. You have represented this number in the international system of numeration, represented this number in the Indian system of numeration. These are the very simple and will give you 3 marks if you had did it in a correct manner. Now you have to make greatest and smallest 7 digit number with the help of these digits. Okay, so first of all we will write greatest 7 digit number, okay, from the given numbers, जो नंबर दिया हुआ उससे हमें ग्रेटेस्ट 7 डिजिट नंबर बनाना. जस्ट रिकॉल द डिसेंडिंग. ओके, डिसेंडिंग you have to arrange these numbers in descending form. Okay, which is the greatest? 8 is greatest here. After that 6, then 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1, and this is the greatest 7-digit number from the given numbers. Just you have to arrange it in the descending form. So for greatest you have to descending form, arrange these numbers to the descending form, and for the smallest you have to arrange it in the ascending form. Okay, so we will write the smallest 7-digit number also. Smallest 7-digit number from the given numbers. Okay, so now we have to arrange these given numbers in the descending form. Just the inverse of this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 8. This is our second answer, and this will give you 3 numbers in examination. So just see the solutions of the method of these 3 questions. So students, now question number 4 and question number 5. Just we have to find the LCM of these 3 numbers, and here we have to find the HCF of these 3 numbers. So for the LCM we have to write the multiples of these 3 numbers. That means just write the tables. Okay. Now first of all, the multiples of 15 we have to write. So 15, 30, 45, 60, 75, 90, 105, 120, 135. This is enough, I think. Now multiples of 20, students. Multiples of 20 we have to write. 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 120, 140, 160, 180. Now multiples of 30. 30, 60, 90, 120, 150, 180, 210, 240, 270. So students, these are the multiples. You have to write just the tables. I have written the table of 15. Okay, I have written the table of 20, and I have written the table of 30. Just you have to write the multiples, because LCM means lowest common multiple. So now we have to write the common multiples here. Common multiples of 15, 20 and 30. Common multiples, students, I think 60 comes. 60 is the common multiple. Okay. Then I think 120 is the common multiple. Okay. So here we have got 60 and 120. And who is the lowest of these two? So 60. So lowest common multiple, छोटा जो हो स्टूडेंट सबसे, lowest common multiple means LCM. LCM of 15, 20 and 30 will be 60. So this is your answer, and this will give you 3 marks. Okay. Now students, we have to find the HCF, and to find HCF first we have to find the prime factors. Okay, to find prime factors I had taught you the tree method. Now by tree method, 96 we have to do 2 multiplied by 48. Now 48 will spread into 2 multiplied by 24, 2 multiplied by 12, 2 multiplied by 6, 2 multiplied by 3. Now the left side and last pair, just erase this side. मीन्स आपको क्या करना है, सिर्फ 2 2 2 2 का टेबल लेना है. जहां पर आपका दूसरा प्राइम नंबर आ गया छोटा, वहां आपको छोड़ देना है और पूरा ये साइड आपको ले लेनी है और लास्ट का पेयर ले लेना. अब आप 96 की जगह में क्या लिखोगे, कि 2 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 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 3. These are the prime factors of 96. Now just like this you have to find the prime factors of 64. Here we have space, so we can do 64 here. 2 into 32, 2 into 16, 2 into 8, 2 into 4, 2 into 2. Just take these numbers left side and these pair. Okay, so 64 we can write 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Okay, so write the common factors. Now we have to write 1 1 12 also, so we will do 1 1 12 here. Okay, 2 into 56, 2 into 28, 2 into 14, 2 into 7, students. Okay, last. Now these numbers and the last pair. You have to write 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 7. So what are the common numbers between these three prime factors? Common factors is equal to 1 2, second 2, third 2, fourth 2. Only 4 2's are common. Further the numbers are not common here. So 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 is common. Okay. And what will be the highest? When we will multiply this, the highest common factor will be 2 2's are 4 2's are 8 2's are 60. This will be our answer, students. HCF of 96, 64 and 112. If you will solve these two questions, you will award with 6 marks because these questions are 3 marks each. Okay. So students, now we are going to solve the sum of the addition of fractions and the subtraction of fraction. I have taken one example. So first of all, we have to change these mixed fractions into improper. First of all, multiply this and add with this. 10 ones are 10. 10 plus 7 17. It will be 17 by 10 plus 8 twos are 16. 16 plus 5 21. It will be 21 by 8. Now we have to change this denominators because like fractions we can add like fractions also. These are unlike fractions. We have to change these unlike fractions into like fraction by the equivalent method. Equivalent. We have to write the equivalent fraction of 17 by 10 and 21 by 8. Just we can do 17 by 10. We will multiply by 5. Okay. Only 21 by 8 we will multiply by. Here we will multiply by 4 and here we will multiply by 5. So the denominators will be same after that. If we will do this, the denominator will be same. Denominator will be 17 into 4. It will be 68. Okay. And 40 plus 21 into 5. It will be 105 by 40. So just write only 140 as an LCM. Okay, now 68 plus 105. What will be there? 173 by 40. Okay, this will be our answer, but if you want to change this in mixed form, so you can write 4 upon 40 and 13. 4 upon 13 by 40 will be the answer. Okay students, just you have to solve this way. Okay, क्या है स्टूडेंट्स, इसमें जो डिनोमिनेटर्स है ना वो इक्वल नहीं है, तो वो अनलाइक फ्रैक्शंस है। उनको लाइक फ्रैक्शन बनाने के लिए हम लोगों ने इस फ्रैक्शन को 4 से मल्टीप्लाई किया, 10 को 4 से मल्टीप्लाई तो 48 को भी 5 से मल्टीप्लाई किया 40। तो हमें बस देखना था कि कौन सा नियरेस्ट नंबर से हम मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं तो हमारा जो ये डिनोमिनेटर है वो सेम हो जाए। तो हमारा ऐसा पहले इस तरीके से इसका जो इक्विवेलेंट फ्रैक्शन था विद 40 और इसका जो इक्विवेलेंट फ्रैक्शन था विद 40, उसके साथ हमारा न्यूमरेटर भी चेंज हुआ। अब मैंने न्यूमरेटर्स को ऐड कर दिया, डिनोमिनेटर को एक ही रखा, तो इस तरीके से हमारा आंसर आ गया। सेम टू सेम हम सबट्रैक्शन के साथ भी करेंगे, लेकिन सबट्रैक्शन में फ्रॉम के बाद वाला नंबर हमारा आगे आता है। ठीक है, तो सबसे पहले हम 8 2 16 प्लस 5, ओके ओके, तो ये जो नंबर है हमारा, ये हम यहाँ ले लेंगे 8 2 16 प्लस 5 21/8 और माइनस का साइन और 7 7 प्लस 3 10/7। ओके, नाउ फ्रेंड्स अब हम लोग को क्या करना होगा, इसमें इनका डिनोमिनेटर सेम करने के लिए 21/8 को 7 से मल्टीप्लाई करना पड़ेगा और 10/7 को 8 से मल्टीप्लाई करना पड़ेगा स्टूडेंट्स। तो हमारा एलसीएम क्या आ जाएगा 56। ओके, और 21 7 हो जाएगा 147 और ये हो जाएगा स्टूडेंट्स 80। 147 minus 80 by 56। 147 minus 80 स्टूडेंट्स हो जाएगा 67 by 56। तो स्टूडेंट्स आंसर क्या हो जाएगा हमारा एक मिक्स फॉर्म में 1/56 1/56 1/11/56। 56 में 11 ऐड करेंगे स्टूडेंट्स, तो हमारा ये मिक्स फॉर्म में अगर आपको चेंज करना हो, मैंने वो मेथड बताया था आपको क्वोशंट अपॉन, ठीक है, क्वोशंट अपॉन डिवाइजर, वो मेथड बताया था मैंने स्टूडेंट्स आपको कि रिमाइंडर बाय डिवाइजर, क्वोशंट अपॉन रिमाइंडर बाय डिवाइजर, इस तरीके से जो मैंने आपको मेथड बताया हुआ पहले, उस मेथड का यूज करके आप इस तरीके से चेंज कर सकते हो फॉर्म को। तो ये हो गया फाइंड द सम और ये हो गया सबट्रैक्ट हमारा, ठीक है। यू कैन सी द सॉल्यूशंस। स्टूडेंट्स, now we are going to solve the question number 9 and 10, which is find the product, which is multiplication of fraction and it is division of fraction. So how we can do it? First of all, I had said you that first of all change this mixed fraction into improper form. 9 ones are 9 plus 2 11, 11 by 9 multiply by 2 by 3. So simply we have to multiply numerator to numerator and denominator to denominator. The answer will be 22 by 27 and 22 by 27 is a proper form, is a proper fraction. We cannot change it. So this will be our final answer. Okay students. Okay. Now we have to divide this question. Okay. So 2 by 5 divide by 4. We all know that we change the division sign here and just reciprocal this number, because this number we can write as 2 by 5 divided by 4 by 1. So whenever we change this sign by division to multiplication, whenever we have to divide, जब भी हमें डिवाइड करना होता है फ्रैक्शन में, तो हम डिवीजन का साइन को चेंज कर देते हैं मल्टीप्लिकेशन में, और सामने वाला जो नंबर होता है ना मेरा, वो डिनोमिनेटर वाला न्यूमरेटर में चला जाता है, न्यूमरेटर वाला डिनोमिनेटर में चला जाता है। तो नीचे बेटा 1 था 4 के, वो न्यूमरेटर में ऊपर चला गया और ऊपर वाला नंबर नीचे आ गया। सो जस्ट वी हैव टू मल्टीप्लाई न्यूमरेटर विथ न्यूमरेटर एंड डिनोमिनेटर विथ डिनोमिनेटर। सो वी विल गॉट 2 by 20. नाउ we have to reduce this fraction because 2 and 20 comes in the same table of 2. So we will reduce this fraction here, divide with 2 and we will got with 1 by 10 which will be our final answer. Okay students? Okay. So now you can see these two sums. So students, now we are going to add, subtract, multiply or divide the decimal numbers, and these are from the 4th chapter. Okay, so यहाँ पर सबसे पहले अरेंजमेंट जो होता है ना स्टूडेंट्स, वो सबसे ज्यादा जरूरी है। जैसे कि ये सबसे पहले हम लिख देते हैं 254.50। क्यों? क्योंकि हमें सबसे पहले है ना डेसिमल्स को भी लाइक फ्रैक्शन करना पड़ेगा, और उसके बाद एकदम सेम टू सेम प्लेस वैल्यू में। देखिए 4 जो है वो 100th पे है तो 100th के नीचे, ये 1/10 पे है तो 10th के नीचे, पॉइंट के नीचे पॉइंट होना चाहिए स्टूडेंट्स, और ये 4, ठीक है, ये प्लस होगा। नाउ 0 + 4 4, 5 + 1 6, पॉइंट के नीचे पॉइंट, 4 + 4 8, 5 and 2, 258.64 स्टूडेंट्स आंसर हो जाएगा। ओके, नाउ सब्ट्रैक्ट फ्रॉम के बाद वाला आगे लिखेंगे स्टूडेंट्स यहाँ पर 852.49। अब यहाँ पर देखिए पॉइंट के बाद 1, इसके पॉइंट के बाद 2, तो आपको इसको कैसा लिखना है, 0 6 के बाद 0 लिखेंगे, 6042.60। स्टूडेंट्स देखिए इसमें 10th था, 10th के नीचे 10th प्लेस वाला आ गया, 1s के नीचे 1s प्लेस आ गया, ओके, 100s के नीचे 100s प्लेस आ गया, इसको माइनस करेंगे, 9 - 0 9, 4 - 6 मींस 1 हमें कैरी लेना पड़ेगा, यहाँ पर हमारा 1 बचेगा, यहाँ पर हमारा 14 हो जाएगा, 14 - 6 8, ओके, पॉइंट के नीचे पॉइंट। नाउ यहाँ पर मेरा 4 हो जाएगा, यहाँ 11 - 2 9, 4 - 4 0 and 8 will be 8, so 809.89 our answer, ये हमारा आंसर हो जाएगा। Now students, multiplication 12.96 multiply by 6. Just you have to see कि पॉइंट के बाद कितना नंबर है, only 2 numbers are there, just forget the point, multiply 6 6 जा 36, 6 9 जा 54, 54 plus 3 57. Now 2 numbers are there, just put on a point. 6 2 is 12, 12 plus 5 17, 6 1 is 6, 1 plus 1 7, 77 plus 7 6 students, which it will be the answer, 77.76. Now students, we have to divide 707. Okay, here we have to divide it. So I am going to rub this question because in division we will need a depth in the board. 7074.2 by 14. 707.4.2 14. So students, first two numbers, 14 5s are 70. 0 0 7 will come, but 7 is not sufficient because 14 is greater than 7, so we have to take this 4 also, and for this we will put on a 0 in the quotient. Okay, now 74, once again 5s are 74. Now after point 2 is coming here, so we have to put on a point here now. अब क्या है, जब पॉइंट के बाद का नंबर, जस्ट पॉइंट के बाद का पहला नंबर जब नीचे उतरता है स्टूडेंट्स, हमारा कम्स डाउन, then we have to put on a point in the decimal, in the quotient of the our division. So 42, 14 3s are 42 students. Our answer will be that quotient is equal to 505.3 and remainder here is 0. This will be our answer. Okay students, so you can see this can give you 3 marks. So students, now we are going to solve the last question of 3 marks each, which is question number A, 15A and 15B. Okay, you have these both questions are same, but we can solve these with 2 methods. First is related to the equivalent fraction and second is of proportion, which is of chapter 5. So there are 2 methods to solve this type of question. One is from the chapter number 3 fraction and second is from the chapter number 5 proportion. Okay, so how we can solve it? just here we all know that x by 10 is equal to 6 by 20. So just we will try to same the denominator here to make equal denominators. So to make 20 को जब हमको 10 बनाना है स्टूडेंट्स, तो we have to divide by 2 and same we will do from to the numerator also. So it will be a equivalent fraction. So x by 10 will be equal to 3 by 10. Okay, now 10 is equal, or x is equal to 3. So here we can write that x is equal to 3 because denominators are equal, then numerators will be also equal here. So x is equal to 3 we can write. Now students, according to proportion method, so this fraction you can write as ratio. ओके, इक्वल्स टू को आप प्रपोर्शन के फॉर्म में लिख सकते हैं और इसको आप रेशियो के फॉर्म में लिख सकते हैं. 6 by 5 को 6:5, 48 by y को 48:y, और यहां पर इक्वल्स टू को आपने प्रपोर्शन लिखा. सो यू हैव टू फाइंड, आपको पता है कि प्रोडक्ट ऑफ एक्सट्रीम इज इक्वल टू प्रोडक्ट ऑफ मीन. Product of mean. Okay students, so product of extreme में ये जो दो extremes numbers है, we have to multiply 6 multiply by y, और यहाँ पर equals to में हमारा हो जाएगा 48 multiply by 5. तो just what we have to do students, we यहाँ पर जो 6y के साथ में multiply में है, just इस 6 को हम वहां ले जाएंगे. Okay, उस 6 को हम वहां ले जाएंगे स्टूडेंट्स. ये 6 यहां से उस जगह चला जाएगा, और यहां पर ये बेटा 6 के साथ मल्टीप्लाई में था, और यहां पर हम इसको डिनोमिनेटर में रखेंगे 6. ओके, जब हम 6 को डिनोमिनेटर में रखेंगे स्टूडेंट्स, नाउ 6 के टेबल में 6 1 बार में आता है, और 6 के टेबल में 48 6 बार में आता है. 6 8 जब 48 8 बार में. सो स्टूडेंट्स, ऐसे ऊपर नीचे जब हमने डिवाइड किया इसको, तो हमारे सिर्फ 8 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 5 बचा. तो y का वैल्यू स्टूडेंट्स 40. y इज इक्वल टू 40. आई नो दैट कि ये मेथड थोड़ा सा आपको कॉन्सेप्ट वाइज हार्ड लगेगा, बट यू कैन डू दिस मेथड व्हेनेवर आई आस्क. आपके लिए कोई बैरियर नहीं है. आपको ये मेथड समझ में आता है जिसमें इक्विवेलेंट फ्रैक्शन का यूज किया है, डिनोमिनेटर्स को इक्वल कर दिया तो न्यूमरेटर अपने आप इक्वल हो गया, ऐसा हो सकता है. आप इस मेथड का भी यूज कर सकते हो अगर आपको प्रोडक्ट ऑफ एक्सट्रीम और प्रोडक्ट ऑफ मीन प्रपोर्शन का काम आता है, तो आप इसका यूज कर सकते हो. ठीक है. सो आफ्टर द सॉल्यूशन ऑफ दीज क्वेश्चंस, आवर मैथमेटिक्स रिवीजन इज गोइंग टू बी कंप्लीट हियर. All the types of questions have been discussed in the video and the live session also. Okay, now if you are having any doubt in any question, you can freely call me. Okay, I am there for you till examination. So just we are going, and we will meet in the second term session. Okay, thank you so much my dear students, thank you so much.